He is rather unhappy and afflicted, the Carcinese with his beard, for having declined such a present. It quite looks like a servant advised him. Be he never among my relatives, for had she showed me 200, I would have horned them all happily, and then I'd be rich and wealthy, and even strengthen my teeth thus. There is no good lady in this world, if she showed me the horn and the cunt like this, just as they are, and then addressed me, Sir Raymond, horn me here in my behind. I wouldn't lower my face and forehead, as if I wanted to drink from a spring. A lover who answers his lady thus well deserves the favor of her heart. Carcinese, treacherous servant, you who are the guilty party in this knave, why don't you come back again and horn forth and back? For the horn is well cleaned and polished, I would horn hundreds of thousands, even if there were quite a few foul ones. Had you been hanged in Béziers, people wouldn't have written as many songs and poems about you. You surpass in wretchedness even Arnaud the student, who is confounded by dice and shut the box and goes around like a penitent. Poor of clothing and of cash, for I would give her a great reward for being the first to horn there, when I would horn better than a swineherd, or of Joybringer the cripple. Arnaud the student, go from me this night or in the morning to Lady Aina, and tell her that Raymond de Durfort tells her that she did well with the Carcinese when she showed him her behind. But it would be hard for him to answer in kind. Instead he'll horn without delay, more eager than an experienced servant. I challenge you, Bernat de Cornhill, who were loth to horn, and in Truck Malloch's name Sir Odoy, and in my own I can challenge you too.